Hey, good morning. This is Dan with Ledger Support. How you guys doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana NFTs using Magic Eden. This is going to be fun. First thing I want to do is go into Ledger Live and make sure the firmware that's running on my device is up to date. So let's go and open Ledger Live. I'm going to go into the manager. It's important to have the firmware up to date, otherwise you might not get the latest Solana app. So my device is connected. You see here, it says firmware up to date. So I'm good. The second thing I want to do is add a Solana account to Ledger Live. So go into account, click add account, and click Solana. Click continue. Now you can see Ledger Live is installing the Solana app on my device. I could have done it via the manager, but the add account flow does it for me, so it's more convenient. I'm going to open the app and let Ledger Live install the account. Okay, so it looks like my device found a few accounts. I'm only going to select the top account here that has 0.9 Sol in it. So this account already has some Sol coins, which I bought using MoonPay. You can find MoonPay here in this Discover section. You can buy Sol directly into your Ledger account. It's pretty convenient. So I've got some Sol, I've got an account. I'm ready to use Magic Eden and buy my NFTs. Okay, so I've got some Sol coins, I've got an account, and I've got the Solana app on my device. I don't need Ledger Live anymore, so I'm going to close it. Good. Now I'm back in Magic Eden. Now, I cannot connect my Ledger device directly to Magic Eden. I'm going to use a piece of software called Phantom to connect my Ledger device to Magic Eden and buy my NFT. Alright, so now let me show you how to install Phantom in your browser. So go to the Chrome website. I'm using the Chrome browser and type Phantom and add it to Chrome. Click Add to Extension and let Chrome install the extension. Okay. Now I've got an option here, create a new wallet. Already have a wallet. Here it's important to create a new wallet. It's just the way Phantom is built. It will force you to create a Phantom wallet before you can connect your Ledger account to it. I'm going to go ahead and create a new wallet. Create a password. I'm going to go for something simple. I'll agree and continue. Now, it forces me to create a Phantom account. This account is not important. I'm not going to use it. And to prove my point, here's my recovery phrase. Just going to go ahead and save my recovery phrase. Click continue. Again, this is not your Ledger recovery phrase. It's perfectly saved. Your Ledger recovery phrase is on your recovery sheet and it has 24 words. And that's the recovery phrase you don't want to share. This one, the Phantom one, it's not important. Okay, click continue and finish. Great. I'm not connected yet. So let me now open Phantom, pin it to the browser, open it, and connect my Ledger device to it. So click the hamburger icon here, add connect wallet, connect hardware wallet. And make sure the app, the Solana app, is open on the device here. Alright, click continue, select wallet address. So here you might have to change the origin path if you don't see your Solana, your Ledger Solana account. So you can see here, my account is not here. I'm looking for the one with 0.9 Sol on it. Let me try a different. Okay, that looks like the one. So the balance is not 0.9 because I've got some staked Sol on the same account, and that's not reflected in Phantom. Going to add that account. Done. Now, if I go back to Phantom, you can see it says Ledger. This is the same account. This is my Ledger account, the one we saw in Ledger Live. And it has the available balance. Of course, in Ledger Live, you could see the staked balance as well. So that's why the balance is different. Cool. Now, I'm ready to connect Phantom to Magic Eden and do my NFT purchase. So now, before I connect my Ledger device to Magic Eden and buy my NFT, there is one very important step I want to do. First, I'm going to wake up my device. You can see I'm using a 4-digit PIN. For you guys, I'd recommend an 8-digit PIN. It's just more secure. And make sure the Solana app is open on the device. It should say application is ready. And then here's the important step. Use the buttons to go into the settings in the Solana app. And make sure allow blind signing is selected. So yes should be selected, just like this. Click yes, and then you can go back into the app. Now you are ready to sign transactions using smart contracts. If blind signing is not enabled, you won't be able to purchase NFTs on Magic Eden. So something very important to keep in mind. Okay, now let's go ahead and connect my ledger device. Let's see. Let's click Connect Wallet and select Phantom. And here there is a bug that seems to happen only on the browser, the Chrome browser. See, it's telling me to download Phantom, which I just did. So that's not what I want to do. I just want to connect my ledger device. All right, so if you're affected by this bug, here's what I suggest. Refresh Magic Eden, and then click the connect button again. You'll see Phantom now detects Magic Eden. I can click connect, and my ledger account is connected to Magic Eden. So now I am ready to buy my NFT. I'm gonna go for a very cheap collection called Pig Power. Guys, this is not an endorsement to buy it or official endorsement from Ledger. I just think they're cheap and cute, but please don't buy them. This is not financial advice or NFT advice. They're just super cheap, which is convenient for this video. So they're called Pig Power. And I'm gonna go with the one with the chef hat here. Click buy now. Now Phantom is connecting to my Ledger device, sending the transaction to it, and I'll be able to confirm it. Now click approve, and the last step is to approve the transaction on my device. You can see here it says unrecognized format. This is because I'm blind signing. Blind signing is dangerous, so don't do it unless you trust the app you're blind signing on. In my case, I've used Magic Eden. I'm comfortable blind signing it, but please, if you do blind sign, be careful. Here's the message hash, approve. I'm gonna validate and wait for the transaction to go through. It says success. Now I own this NFT. Now where can I see my NFT, the one I just purchased? Go into your account, click my items, and here's my NFT here. Now if I wanted to list it, sell it, for example, I would just need to click add listing, review listing. Here I choose the price, so say I want to list it for half a sol, which is 10 times what I paid. So again, guys, don't buy this thing. I'll delist it after the video is made. And then list now, and I'll have to do the same thing on my device. Approve the transaction first on Phantom and then on the device, and also be blind signing. Let me show you how that works. Click approve. I'm getting a message on my device. Approve that. And this is going to this is going to list my NFT on Magic Eden. See here, it's refreshing. See now, it says listed item, and here's my pig. Now let's say, for example, I don't want to list my cute little pig here. I want to keep it, so I want to cancel the listing. How can I do it? Click on the NFT, and then just click cancel listing. Same thing, you'll have to confirm that on your Ledger device. Every action on Magic Eden needs to be confirmed on your Ledger device, if you're using a Ledger device, obviously. So click approve whenever it's ready. Okay, and now I'm getting another message to sign on my device. This will cancel the listing, and you see here, it's gone. This is how you buy NFTs on Magic Eden, list NFTs, unlist NFTs. I wish you all a great time on Magic Eden with Ledger. If you have any questions, you can drop them below in the comments, or you can reach out to us on Twitter at ledger_support. Be very careful, there's a lot of fake accounts. We'll never DM you on Twitter or anywhere else for that matter. We also have a support page at Ledger Support. So don't hesitate if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Happy NFT training and have a good weekend. Bye bye. See you in the next video.